Hey girls. So this is a little bit transparency. I am having a moment. I do not feel beautiful today. I'm learning that my hair plays such a big part in my confidence. And all week I have had this wash and go situation going on, but it has been so long since I've worn like actual wash and go, my fro being out without it being some sort of style. And I'm just gonna say it, certain styles don't make me feel super beautiful, and I know that there is beauty so much in me on the outside and inside, but I'm gonna just keep it a stack. When I feel like I am not presenting in the manner in which I want to, it's much harder for me to feel good about myself. And I know I'm a great person, I know that people love me, I know that I have a great soul, and there's nothing on the outside that can predict or determine how great of a human I am and how beautiful my soul is, but I just don't like how I look. And I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna do me a slick back bun because that always gets me together for a temporary style, and I'm gonna do what it takes to make me feel beautiful tonight. So it's gonna be something minor, but I don't know if y'all relate to this. I don't know if I'm just, you know, going a little crazy with even telling y'all my business, but I mean, like, what am I here for if I can't be myself? What is my channel here for if I can't be vulnerable, you know? So I'm gonna wash my hair, figure out my life, and we're gonna have a good night. So it's Friday night and I'm about to do what it takes, even though I'm not going nowhere, to make me feel like that girl again. Because today, babe, this fro, you know, obviously it's shrunk into my head. It needs a little TLC, but I just want to wash it away and start on a slick back bun and get myself together that way. But like I said, like, I really value me pouring into myself, and my appearance is how I do that. And I love myself. I know that I'm great. I know that everything about me is made in its most perfect form. I know that God handcrafted and made me exactly how he wanted me to be. But I know that this is not the best that I can do. So I'm gonna hop my ass in the shower. I'm gonna get smelling all good. I might even throw on a little bit of makeup tonight. I don't know, we'll see. But this is for me. This is my self-care. This is me, you know, figuring out and recognizing what I need and giving myself exactly that, and not giving a damn who cares about it or who has something to say about it. So let's go get situated. Alexa, play music by Miles Davis.